So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So, I hope everyone is well, and I hope you guys have seen my last video which was on sorting. Okay, so today I am going to show you this one more function which is present in the editing section of MS Excel, and it is called filter. So every day it is the most used function which everyone is using, whoever is using Excel. So I will show you how to use different type of function of filter. Okay, so in that I will show you like number filter, text filter, and color filter, and at last I will show you how to use advanced filter option. So let's start the learning. So as you can see my screen, I have some data with me. Okay, so in this, first thing, to apply filter, what you have to do, so you have to select your data. Okay, select your first header, select your header. Okay, I have otherwise you can keep the pointer at any position of the any cell where the header is there. I have done this. Okay, I have selected my first header. Okay, now you have to go to your data, go to your data tab, and in the middle you can see sort and filter. So sort, already you have seen this, and if you have not seen, just click on the I button and you can see the sort video. Okay, so here you can see, here I have a filter option. Okay, so once I click on it, you can see a inverted triangle is applied. It is visible. I will just increase the size. Okay, now you can see there is an inverted triangle on each and every cell of the header. So this is called filter. And same thing, if you want, in the home tab also, in the right side if you will go, you can see in the editing column there is an option of sort and filter. Once you click on it, you will get the option of sort, already I have showed you, and in the last you can see the filter option, and from there you can apply filter. So I have done it. Now the first thing is, I will show you how to use text filter. Now you can see in this data, I have a different header like full name, job title, department, business unit, gender, and ethnicity. Okay, so I want to see the data of only the particular department. So in this, filter will help you. So what to do? Just click on this inverted triangle. Okay, I have done this. Now here you can see you have the options of all the select all. You can select all the options. It is already selected. So I want to see the data of the particular department. So as an example, I want to see the data of accounting and engineering. So I have selected it. Okay, and just click on OK. So here you can see the data of accounting and engineering is there. Okay, only these two departments data is visible now, and rest of the departments data are hidden. Okay, next thing is, just click on it. Here you can see in the filter option, you have the option of text filter. In this we have this different type of options like equals, does not equal to, begins with. So what's the use of this? You can, first I will remove the filter first. Okay, I will select all and click OK. Now you can see, just click, go to your text filter option. Here you can see begins with, ends with, contains. So you, as per, you can customize this filter. Okay, you can custom filter also, you can apply, and here you can see all the options what was there. It is here also, like equals, and here you can see, from here also you can apply the filter, and which equals to IT. Okay, and if you want to add some more, so, or, okay, so two options are there. So equals, I can select engineering and click OK. No, something went wrong. Okay, yeah. So here in this text filter option, you can select the begins with, ends with, whatever. I have the department, different departments like IT, finance, toy, and maybe I have like other department with the starting with the same letter. So you can select the particular letter. Okay, you can select the begins with option, and you can just mention it with begins with this particular department. and begins with accounting, and you can just select it. So only accounting will the accounting data is visible then. So this is a very basic feature, okay, which generally we are using daily. And second part, I will show you what is number filter. So just I have different tabs, different sheets are there. So this was for the text filter. I will go to my number filter sheet. Here you can see, I will just zoom it little, and here you can see for using filter again you have to go to apply filter. Just go to your data tab. Here you can see filter, just click on filter. Now you can see the data. Okay, so number filter, filter is my second point. So what number filter will do, here you can see there are different type of ages, different ages are there. I think it is minimized. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So here different type, different ages are there. Okay, of all the employee, I have different age 55, 59, and same for annual salary. Also, you can see there are different annual salary and bonus. Also, it is like 15% for the employee who got 15% bonus. Some got 20%, some got 7%. So what I want to see, I want to see the employees whose age are above 50. Okay, here you can see I have like some employees are having an age of 26, also 27 also. So I want to see the data of only the employees whose age is more than 50. So what you have to do in this, you have to use filter, and num filter will be used in this. So just go to your filter, click on this inverted triangle. Here you can see number filter. Because see why number filter is coming, when my data was on like I have selected the data which is text. Okay, my data was text. Here you can see this column contains only text. So when you will click on this inverted triangle, here you can see only text filter option is there. So once I go to this column in which only numbers are there, you can see only number filters are there. So go to number filter, and here you can see I want the data of the employees whose age are more than 50. So what I want, it should be greater than 50 or equal to 50. Anyone you can select. Here you have different options: equals, does not equal, greater than equal to, less than. Similarly, you can select between and top 10 also. Okay, so whose age will be in top 10, it will be reflecting, only that data will be visible to you. So what I want greater than or equal to. So I will select this option, greater than or equal to, and what will be my criteria? It should be 50. Okay, so I have given 50 and just press OK. Now you can see there is change in the data. Whatever data was there, whose employees whose age was more 26, 27, less than 50, that is not visible now. Only the employees whose age is more than 50, that data is visible in this sheet now. So like this you can use number filter. Similarly, one more example, I will just remove the filter first. Here you can see I want to I have a column of bonus percent. Okay, so what I want the employees data who has got bonus more than 15%. Okay, here you can see some employees have got 7%, 9%, 10%. So I want to see the data of the employee who has got bonus more than 15%. Okay, I will go to my this section, just click on the inverted triangle. Here you can see the number filter. Go to the number filter, and I want to just see 15 or more than 15%. So I will just click on it. I will give it 15%. Okay, greater than or equal to. See, I have selected greater than or equal to. So if you will select greater than or equal to, 15 will be included in there. And if I will select greater than, then 15 will be excluded. So I have selected greater than or equal to. Just click OK. Now you can see some of the data was there who's of the employee who has got 7%, 10%. Those data is not visible right now because I have applied number filter, and I have applied what was my criteria. It was the number which is equal to or greater than 15%. So in this way you can use the number filter and you can easily see the data what you want. Okay, the next part is color filter. Okay, so I will show you one more sheet. I have one more sheet. Okay, in this you can see there are so many colors in the sheets. Okay, like finance have a purple color, and accounting has red color, and different departments, okay, row color is different. So what I want, if the data is mixed, okay, so if I can't use, sometimes I am unable to use the text filter. So my finance is purple color and sales is different, accounting is red, so different colors are for different departments. So what I want to just select particular color, okay, and I want to see only that data. So what I have to do, first thing, I have to apply filter. I will just increase the size. First thing, I have to apply the filter. For that, what you have to do, just go to your data tab, go to your right side. Here you can see sort and filter. Click on filter. Okay. Now what you have to do, you can see in the department. Okay, department or gender, any column you can see. And in this, I will select department. Okay. Here you can see the top. You can see filter by color. So once you have selected, if once your cursor is there on the filter by color, you can see there are so many different color. Whatever color is there in the sheet, okay, whatever department had different color, all the color are visible in this, and you can select the color. What you have to do, just select the color which you want. So what I want IT. Okay, so IT color is this. Okay, otherwise you can select accounting. Accounting color is red. So just click on the inverted triangle, go to filter by color, and in the right side you can see in the second last I have red color. So just click on it and you can see the data. Only the accounting part is visible. Okay, so using the color filter also, you can filter the data and you can see the data which you want. Okay, it will not change your data, it will not make any change in your data. Only the use of filter is, whatever data you want to see currently, that you can see using this filter option. Okay, so this was how we are using the text filter. First one is text filter, second one is number filter, and the third one is color filter. So these are the three types of filter. Okay, these are the basic filter what generally we are using. And my next filter option is advanced filter. It is little bit advanced as compared to the other filter options, because these are the basic filters which we are using. Okay, so advanced filter, what is the difference between advanced and other filters, I will show you. So I have one more sheet which is the last sheet, and it is called advanced filter. So in this, what I have to do, in this, say I have a data with me. Okay, it is a huge data, and what I want the data of the particular department to be visible, but not in this, no changes, no filter in this sheet. What I want in my different sheet, or in the same sheet, I want in my right side, I want the data of only the particular department to be like reflecting here in the right side. You can see like in my U, starting from my U column. So what I want the particular department, or you can see the city also. So I will show you the city, so, or country. So you can see country is there. Okay, so first what you have to do, just you have to select your data. Okay, or not required, just go to your data tab first. Already I am there, so I went to my data tab. Here in the this shorten filter, you can see left side filter, and here you can see advanced option. So once your cursor went there, you can see in advanced what is mentioned, options for filtering using complex criteria. Okay, so here what is my criteria? My criteria is I want to see the data of some particular countries, and not to in the same data. I want that data to be copied in the different sheet or different cell. So using for this, we are going to use advanced option. Just click on the advanced. Once you clicked, okay, here you will have so many options. First thing is action. In action, you will see filter the list in place. Means in the same place you want to filter the list. or you want to copy to another location. So now you can see I have selected filter the link in place. So if this is selected, the copy to option will be disabled. You can't copy the data to another sheet. Okay, so what I want, first thing I will show you, filter the list in place. In the same sheet, I want to filter the list. So first, what is my list range? My list range is already selected, and I will show you once again. My list range is this data. Okay, this data is my list range. So I will select it. I have selected the list range. Okay, now what is my second criteria is criteria range. So what criteria range you want? So for this I have to define some criteria. Okay, not in the same data, in somewhere I have to define that criteria. So I will close this first I will define my criteria. So just go to your right side of the sheet, and I want data of only United States country. Okay, only United States. So what I will do, I will just copy these two, and I will just paste it here. Okay, I have pasted this in this two cell, okay, which is T1 and T2. And now again I will go to my advanced option, and in advanced already my data is selected, list range is selected. Go to the criteria range, and in criteria range what you have to select, you have to give the range of these two. Okay, so I have given the range. This is my range, which is country, and in country I need only United States. So I will just press OK. Okay, so just press OK. Okay. Yeah, now you can see in the same data the change happened. Okay, in the same data, now only this is visible, only United States is visible. And you can see here any filter icon which is inverted triangle is not there. So I will show you the same thing, and I want the data in the same sheet in the right side of a different column or in other sheet. I will show you the same thing. So what you have to do, just again I have to go to my advanced option. Here already this range is selected. I will select my second option, which is copy to another location. Just select it. Now you can see the copy to, it is, now you can do the entry in this, it is activated. Okay, now what is my range? I showed you how to select the range. So just click on this criteria range, go to the right side. This is my range. Criteria range is country in which United States I have mentioned. Now where you want to copy this data? So I want to copy this data in my U column. It should start from my U column. Okay, so just click on this and just click OK. So once I click OK, you can see in the right side only the United States data is reflecting. There is no change happened in my current data. Everything is there. Only what happened after using this advanced filter, a different in the different columns, what as per my defined criteria range, the data is copied, and I got the data what I want, which is country United States. Same thing you can do in different sheet. So for that, what you have to do first, just I will show you what to do. So for that, if I will here, if I will select the advanced option and copy to another location, and if I will give the different sheet, if I will select now, then it will not copy the data in the other sheet. What you have to do first, just close this first. Okay, now you open one blank sheet. Okay, just open one blank Excel sheet. So I am opening, so I have opened it. Now in this you have to go to your data tab, click on advanced, list range. Now list range, what you have to give, you have to select the list range from your other sheet in which the data is there. So list range I have selected, this is my list range. And criteria, so my criteria will be the same criteria what I have selected earlier. So I will go a little up. Okay, just drag it little up. Now I have selected my criteria, and same thing, no need to select any location, just click OK. No, sorry, I made some mistake here. Yeah, correct. Okay, so what I will do, I will just, that criteria I will just copy and I will paste it in this cell. Okay, so what I will do, I will just select it. Now I will go to my data tab, advanced, list range, copy to another location, list range. I have selected my list range, which is this data, and just select all data. Criteria range already is there, and copy to this cell. So just click OK. So once I clicked OK, you can see in this sheet, this is my new sheet which I have opened. Okay, just now I have opened, which is name I have not saved. It is a general name, which is book 1. It is not saved. And this is my employee sample data, which is my master file. Master sheet is there. So the data which I want, which was my based on my criteria, country United States, that data is copied in this sheet. Now I have the data with me, and there is no changes made in this sheet. The master data is safe. So this was how we are using advanced filter. So in this video, what you have learned text filter, which is basic filter function, same like number filter and color filter. And there is little bit advanced filter which you can use to present your data, and you can use to copy the desired data, only the desired data as per your defined criteria range, in a other sheet or other location, without making any changes in your master data and your current sheet. Okay, so I hope you guys learn this. And guys, if you really like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Once you click, you will get the notification of my each and every video whichever I am going to post in future. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.